Today I want to go over the American kettlebell swing. This is a great movement to work on your hip extension, explosive power, and overall posterior chain strength. Start by picking the kettlebell up with two hands, standing tall, and letting the kettlebell fall naturally between your legs. Initiate the movement by pushing your hips back, pushing the kettlebell slightly between your legs, and then violently extending your hips and quads to begin pulling the kettlebell forwards and upwards to full extension. You'll notice I'm maintaining a flat back, and as the kettlebell goes between my legs, I'm not squatting down to receive the kettlebell. I'm simply hinging at the hips to generate the momentum. It's also important to note that my arms are not pulling and pressing the kettlebell overhead. 80% of this movement is generated by your hip extension. As the kettlebell gets to the top and you're at full extension, push your head through the window and then begin to let the kettlebell fall back down. It's important to maintain control of the kettlebell and maintain a tight core as the kettlebell falls back down into the receiving position where your hips are hinged and ready for the next rep.